see this? These are safety glasses. You always want to put safety first to protect your eyes. Ow! You ever seen that old film, Safety Last? Directed by Fred C. Newmeyer and Sam Taylor from 1923, starring Harold Lloyd. It's a classic. Protect the eyes. Don't want to lose another eye. You ever seen GoldenEye, 1995 James Bond film? Pierce Brosnan was not the greatest Bond. No, he was no Sean Connery. And Isabella Scoruppo, not the greatest Bond girl. However, Claudine Auger, Thunderball, Domino, I mean, wow. This is ear protection. I always like to put these on because I can talk about things that are embarrassing to most people. Hear me? Can you hear? You. I'm talking to you. Can you? See what I mean? Where do babies come from, Brian? Well, when a man loves a woman, generally they'll get married, and then they'll go home, and then... And then the storm comes and drops off the baby on the porch. It's that simple. But yeah, I don't recommend James Bond films. No. Very violent, quite risque stuff. I don't go in for that. I don't go in for that violence. I don't like action. I'm not a big fan of action. Don't like loud noises, don't like engines. And I especially... Here I am on the Traco, which is essentially a hoe with tracks. You dig dirt with it, see? See that? See that? We're gonna have to lock it up and leave it on the job site overnight. Sometimes it's kind of worrisome because there could be robbers and thieves that come and take it. But you can't worry about that because the transgressors of the world, they're all being watched by you-know-who. And if they do something bad, well, the Bible says they're gonna be destroyed. But do you know how they're going to be destroyed? By mad cows. You know that, did you? It says it at Obadiah 5. The reason I say Obadiah 5 is because there are no other chapters other than that first chapter of Obadiah. And so if I was to say Obadiah 1 verse 5, that just wouldn't make any sense now, would it? But unbeknownst to most people is what it says at Obadiah verse 5. And that is that the bad people of the world, the transgressors, they will be utterly destroyed. Oh, here comes the duck truck. Gotta go to work now.